Hello guys, today I want to show how to watch Amazon Prime Video on your school, Chromebook, or laptop PC. So don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon Prime Video tutorials, so head over to Google, type in Amazon, click on the first link. It will be directed to Amazon official website. Now you must be logged in here and already created an account, so click on your account name here and head over to click on Prime. It will be directed to Amazon Prime Video, so click on Start 30-day free trial, and you can add your Visa card. So now redirect to official Amazon Prime Video website after the lockdown, and you can search for your movie here or select one from your home page. Select your movie that you want to watch, click on it, and you click on Watch Trailer or pay a 13-day free trial to start watching this movie, and click on Continue Connecting on Amazon to connect with your Amazon account. And this is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done here. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.